Guys, it's July 2nd. We're getting ready for July 4th. Madison, will you open the door and let the turkeys out?
Sure.
Mama's watering the garden. Spitzer, you want to come see the turkeys? Are they coming? Hey, you guys stand back on the sidewalk and let's see what the turkeys do. Oh, here they come. Uh-oh. They're heading straight for the garden. They better not eat all of our vegetables. You want to pet them? Oh, they're nice. What's that one's name, Spency?
Daddy.
Daddy quail? Sissy?
This one here is my, is Sandra.
Sandra?
Right there.
Is she your favorite?
Yes.
Does
She's my girl, and I have a boy right there. Like the yellow one is the boy.
Does she lay lots of eggs?
Yeah. Sometimes.
Oh, the turkeys are going all over the place. There they are down there.
Dad, won't you look at my shoe prints? You want a video camera on my shoe prints?
Yeah, just a second.
Dad,
Trying to get the turkey scratching. Are they gonna scratch? Oh, there they go, scratching. There's one behind me.
Yeah. You want to take a picture of that? You want to take.
Those are your footprints in the. Oh yeah. Wow, great.
Dad, can I do some?
Hold on. You can do some when I'm done.
Hold on, look.
The turkeys sure love the garden, don't they, guys?
Yeah. You want to go there? I'm trying to get one. Dad, make sure the turkeys come back to me.
They're happy. I hear their little happy sounds.
Turkeys, 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 turkeys. Where's that turkey going to come back?
Let's get a shot of some eggs. They're laying lots of eggs. There's some eggs in the box.